What's up, guys? So like I said yesterday, I drove up to, my mom is actually in the car right now, I drove up to Western Mass, or kind of in Central Mass, and I came to this place called Grist Mill, or Grist Mill, I don't really know how to say it, but it's like your typical New England nature, basically your typical New England photograph. So just check this out. Ford. Well, with your phone. So we're out here walking in the wilderness, and we found this old barn. So I want to go look to see what's inside it. And look at this. Check it out. It's an old fire truck from, I don't even know when, 50s, 60s. It's pretty cool. Now we are in a place called Old Sturbridge Village. It's like a historic village back in the olden days, and there's like a bunch of exhibits. So we just came inside, and it's all like old historic stuff, like I said, back in the day. So we're gonna explore, see what there is. I don't really care too much about this stuff, but look at that old musket. It's the freaking musket. So if anyone's interested in clocks, here's your place to be. Clock gallery from London. 1700s. Boston. In 1870, there's a clock. I don't know. This clock right here, or this clock, was made in
God damn sound foolish.
These are the toys from back in the 1800s or something. You take the hoop and you roll it, you hit it with a stick and see who does it the longest. And we can play if we want it, but like a hula hoop. There's some there's some lambs over here. The farm. The old church. So I found the spot I wanted to find. There's a little bridge over there, back there, and I wanted to photograph it, so I have to walk around so I can get the perfect angle with the lake and everything. There's actually an old mill here, grist mill, but I don't think it's running anymore. Maybe it is. I hear a little waterfall. It's pretty cool. Probably used to have logs fall so they could collect it back in the olden days. Let's go in and check it out. The sawmill. Oh, the sawmill, not the grist mill. Special machinery. Looks like an old saw right there. Another one that... Oh, there you go. Right there. Nice. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm finally back at the house. I'm back in my small room, my old room that's like the size of a walk-in closet that I've been sleeping in for the week. The bed is actually comfortable. It used to be a water bed, now it's just a regular normal bed. So it's been pretty comfortable. Cool little experience. Got to see all the foliage, take some cool pictures. Have you guys ever been to Massachusetts before? Do you live here? And have you seen foliage like this before? I know in different parts of the country, all around the country. No, I'm in the room. I know all around the country they have foliage, but there's something about New England. It's just different. It's probably the best, I think. But anyways, I got a long week ahead of me. Tomorrow I'm going to Boston. First I'm playing basketball in the morning. Going to Boston, a little road trip. Going to my cousin's to watch the fight, and then the next day going on another little road trip to New Hampshire. So make sure you come along for the fun. If you made it to the end of this video, give me a thumbs up and write a little comment below so I know who's watching. Even if I sent you the link to watch it, post it down below. I want to see who's actually watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go follow my Instagram. I got a bunch of new pictures up there. Let me know what you think. And if you want to buy a print from my store, link is also down in the description. It'll bring you right to my website. I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. This is Life of Mikey. Peace.